Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. This episode, I create my own concoction. I call it a very cherry Singapore Sling. Also, Mookie's going to be joining me for Appies with Chappy by the lake. We saved you a seat at Chappy's Tiki Bar. Come join us.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy. With me as always is Mookie. Today I'm going to make... Mookie, stop yawning. Today I'm going to make my own creation. I call it a very cherry Singapore Sling. So of course the Singapore Sling was invented in the Raffles Hotel in Singapore. One of the key components to a lot of the Singapore Sling recipes, and possibly the original recipe, has cherry hearing. I just love cherry hearing, so I am going to amp up the cherry game on my Singapore Sling. So let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll be using 5 cherry components in this very cherry Singapore Sling. So we'll get started with my cocktail shaker. Add some ice. All right, let's put it in a martini glass today. All right, so this is my favorite, the cherry hearing. And we'll do 1 ounce of cherry hearing. And then I have the liquid from my maraschino cherries. That is my second cherry component. And I have some cherry bitters. That's cherry number 3. 2 dashes of cherry bitters. And then I have maraschino liqueur. Luxardo maraschino from Italy. Hey, Mookie, it's from Italy. All right, we'll do a 1/2 ounce of that. And then... most Singapore Sling recipes have Benedictine in it. I find it quite medicinal, so I'm just going to do, I got my bar spoon, I'm just going to do a little tablespoon of Benedictine. And then, of course, a Singapore Sling is a gin drink, so I'm going to do 2 full ounces of gin. Mookie, did anyone ever tell you got a really big head? And I did the cherry bitters. I'm going to do a little bit of Angostura bitters just to add that certain je ne sais quoi, Mookie. All right. So we're going to give it a shaky. I'm going to get a strainer. No, not you, Mookie. Me. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to strain that on in. And my final cherry component is I have a wild cherry sparkling water. The original Singapore Sling recipe has club soda. So this is my 5th cherry component, the wild cherry sparkling water. And of course I have some maraschino cherries as a garnish. God, you got a big head, Mookie. There, I'm going to come around. So that is my very cherry Singapore Sling. Whoa. So that is my very cherry Singapore Sling. Hooah. Delicious, Mookie. Why you gotta be like that? You can see I'm trying to do something and you get your head in the way. Unbelievable. All right, coming up next, Appies with Chappy by the lake. I hope you're better behaved for that, Mookie. Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So I just got some shrimp. See here how I boiled them up and then just put them on ice. So I'm gonna have a little shrimp cocktail. I'm gonna make my own cocktail sauce. Very simple. So the base is just ketchup, a little bit of garlic salt, and I have some creamy horseradish, some Frank's Red Hot. Put however much you like, as spicy as you like. And then I'm gonna put the juice from half a lemon in there. And I'll put a little bit of lemon on the shrimp as well. Give that a little mix. All right, and we need a beverage. Today I'm just gonna have a beer. This is actually my favorite beer. It's from Japan. It's Asahi. Super dry. So crack that open. Cheers, Mookie. Oh yeah, very refreshing on a hot day. Give one of these shrimps a try. Too spicy for you, Mookie. All right, that's Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching Chappy's Tiki Bar. Oh, that's okay, Mookie. Thanks for watching Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you give us a like and subscribe. This is Mookie and I'm Chappy, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.